Good morning, grade 2. How are you today? Our lesson today will be rounding to nearest 10 using the rules. Okay. In the previous lesson, we learned how to round to the nearest number at the nearest 10 using the number line. In our lesson today, we will learn how to round to nearest 10 using the rules. Okay. What are the rules I have? First, you must know that we will use rich numbers and poor numbers. Okay, we have rich numbers and poor numbers. And we will know now what are the rich numbers and what are the poor numbers. Okay, question number 1. 32. I want to round 32 to the nearest 10 using the rules. What are the rules? طيب, here I want to round the nearest 10 means I will round the tens place, right? Now the tens place needs money. It will ask the next door number. Where is the next door number? 2. Okay. Next door number here. I want to know next door number here, rich or poor? Yes, I have the rich numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And I have poor numbers which are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Type again. I want to round to the nearest 10, which means I will round the tens place 3. 3 now needs money. It will ask the next door number. Where is the next door number? 2. The number in the ones place. I will ask myself, 2 here, rich number or poor number? Yes, the 2 here, poor number. So it can't give anything to 3. So the 3 still 3 and say bye-bye to the number in the ones place. I don't need you anymore. You didn't give me anything. Okay? Type. Another example. 24. Round 24 to the nearest 100. 24 to the nearest 100, to the nearest 10, sorry. I will round the number in the tens place. The number in the tens place now needs money. It will ask the number in the next door number. Where is the next door number? It's 4. I want to know now, 4, a rich number or poor number? The 4 here, poor number. It can't give anything to the number in the tens place. So the 2 in the tens place tells 2 and say bye-bye to the ones place. I don't need you anymore. Type. 16. I want to round number 16 to the nearest 10, which means I will round number 1. Number 1 now needs money. It will ask the next door number. Where is the next door number? 6. Type 6 now. Rich number or poor number? Yes, I can find number 6 in the rich numbers. So it will give 1 to the tenth place. It has money. Number 6 now it has money. So it will give the number in the tenth place 1. So the 1 here becomes 2. And also say bye-bye to the number in the ones place. I don't need you anymore. Okay. Another question. Let's take number 5. 39. I want to round 39 to the nearest 10, which means I will round the number in the tens place 3. 3 now needs money. It will ask the number, the next door number. The next door number here is 9. 9 is a rich number. So it will give 1 to the number in the tens place, and the 3 becomes 4, and say bye bye to the number in the ones place. I don't need you anymore. So the new number 39 after rounding will be 40. Okay. 60. I want to round 60 to the nearest 10, which means I will round the number in the tens place, which is 6. 6 now needs money. To ask the next door number. The next door number here is 0. 0 means nothing, so it's poor number. So it will give anything to number 6? No. 0 means nothing. So 6 still 6, and 0 is 0. So 60 rounded to the nearest 10 is also 60. Okay. Number 6, 75. Round 75 to the nearest 10, which means I will round the number in the tens place, which is 7. 7 will ask the next door number if it has money. 5 here, poor number or rich number? Yes, I can find here that 5 is a rich number. So the 5 has money. It will give 1 to the number in the tens place because it's rich. So the 7 becomes 8, and say bye bye to the number in the ones place. I don't need you anymore. Okay. Question number 7. 44. Round to the nearest 10. The nearest 10, which is I will round number 4 in the tens place. Number 4 now needs money. So it will ask the next door number, which is 4 in the ones place. The 4, we know that the 4 is poor number. So it will give anything to the tens place? No. So the tens place still 4, and say bye bye to the number in the ones place. So 44 after rounding will be 40. 83. Round 83 to the nearest 10, which means I will round the number in the tens place, which is 8. 8 will ask the next door number money. Okay, 3 here. 3 here, poor or rich? We know that 3 is poor number, so it will not give anything to the number in the tens place. So 8 still 8, and say bye bye to the number in the ones place. 83 after rounding to the nearest 10 will be 80. Okay, 68. I want to round 68 to the nearest. No. To the nearest 10, which means I will round the tens place, which is 6. Number 6 now needs money. It will ask the next door number. Where is the next door number? It's 8. Okay, 8 here, rich or poor? Rich number, so it will give 1 to the tens place, and the 6 becomes 7, and say bye bye to the number in the ones place. So 68 after rounding will be 70. Okay, you will do the rest of the sheet by yourself, and you will find the answer key attached with this sheet. I hope you understand our lesson today. Have a good day. Bye bye.